What is computer system? Every day we interact with technology in countless ways, from sending mails to playing games. Using a computer system is part of our daily routine. But what exactly is a computer system? Defining a computer system is a combination of hardware and software that work together to perform tasks and solve the problem. It's not just the physical machine we see but also the programs that make it work. Understanding hardware. Let's start with the hardware. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system, which you can touch. Key hardware components include the central processing unit or CPU, which act like the brain of the computer, the monitor for display, keyboard and mouse for input, and storage devices like hard drive or SSD for saving data. Understanding software. Next, we have software, which refers to the program and operating system that allows the hardware to function. Software includes the operating system like Windows, Mac OS or Linux that manages all the hardware and software resources, and applications like word processor, web browser and games which performs specific tasks. The role of CPU. The CPU or central processing unit is often called the brain of the computer. It takes instructions from programs and processes them to produce result. Think of it like a chip following a recipe. The CPU reads the recipe means instruction, gather ingredients means data, and prepare the dish means output by combining everything together. Types of computer system. Computer system come in many forms depending on their purpose. There are personal computers like desktop and laptops used for everyday tasks. Then there are server, powerful machines that store data and manage networks. Embedded system, like those in cars or smart devices, perform specialized functions. Storage in computer system. Storage is another critical component of a computer system. It allows you to save your data and access it later. There are primary storage devices like RAM where data is temporarily stored while the computer is running. And then there's secondary storage like hard drives or solid state drives where files and programs are used to save long term. How the components work together. So how do all these parts work together to form a computer system? The CPU processes data, the memory stores information temporarily, and the storage devices hold everything permanently. The operating system coordinates all of this, while applications let users interact with the computer to complete specific tasks. The importance of computer system. Computer systems have become essential in almost every field. They help with communication, entertainment, business, healthcare, and much more. Without computer system, modern life as we know it wouldn't be possible. They streamline processes, save timeline, and make our life more connected. In summary, a computer system is a combination of hardware and software that work together to perform various tasks. Whether you are browsing the web, editing document, or playing a game, your computer system is working hard behind the scenes to make it all happen. Understanding how computer system functions can help you appreciate the technology that powers our digital world. It's all about the teamwork between hardware, software, and processing power.